Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you another different meaning of by. Look at this phrase, by 5 o'clock. By means not later than that time. So it means at or before that time. For example, please be there by 5. It means that please be there at 5 sharp or before that, not after that. For example, you can borrow my car, but I must have it by 5 o'clock. We have another phrase, by the time that. By the time that is used with a verb to mean not later than the time that something happens. For example, by the time we arrived, all other guests were already there. Or he had been to 12 different countries by the time he turned 40. So you see, we have by and by the time that. Now it's your turn. Please make 2 sentences with by and by the time.